Good day, everyone. Fix Windows 11 Skype not connecting. So I'll tell you only one simple step to fix this problem. So firstly, we need to uninstall it. Please make sure your internet is connected and you are able to go online. And just do a right click in the start icon, go to settings, and then go to apps. And here in apps, go to installed apps. Now look for the Skype right here, and let's say if you find it. Currently it is not installed in my computer, but in your computer you must have it. So you just need to click on next to three dots and click on uninstall. Once you have uninstalled it, close this window and click on the start icon and then go to Microsoft Store. And here search Skype in Microsoft Store. So we are going to install the latest version of Skype, and you can find it Skype Connect, Create, Talk and Discover, 55k ratings, and we just have to click on Get. The moment you will click on Get, it will start downloading and preparing to download, getting ready. So it will not take much time to download, and you can simply install it and try to log in again and see if your Skype is connecting or not. Please do let me know in the comment section whether it fixes your problem or not. If not, please do let me know. I'll try my best to fix your problem. I'll share more steps to fix this problem. For most of us, this will fix the issue. Have a wonderful day. Please hit the like and subscribe if this tutorial helps. Have a wonderful day.